Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Cricut design space app. So let's get started. So here you can see the Cricut design space. So let's open it. Okay. So basically it's a app for your machine. So basically it's a machine. You can just print it like this 3D. Okay, from the sheets. So just click on setup machine. So from here you have to get your machine like Cricut machine, and from there you can uh, just add your machine into it, and from here you can just upload the files and you can 3D print into the app. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.